Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today is 15th October 2020, and the thought of the week is change your life today. Don't gamble on the future. Act now without delay. Children, in the earlier part, we already have started chapter 5 expansion formulae, and we have completed practice set 5.1, and the expansion of a plus b whole cube was going on. And we also have started practice set 5.2, and in that practice set, first question expand, we have completed 3 sums of 8. So let us continue the fourth sum. Expand fourth sum, 52 cube. This will be equal to 50 plus 2. Why we have split up here 52 as 50 plus 2? Because we want to use the expansion formulae. Which formulae? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So based on this formulae, we will start now the fourth sum. So 52 can be written as 50 plus 2 whole cube. Here what is A? A is 50 and B is 2. So 50 cube is equal to 50 cube plus 3 multiplied by 50 square into 2 plus 3 multiplied by 50 into 2 square plus 2 cube. Okay. Now what will be the answer of 50 cube? Here 1,25,000, then 15,000 plus 600 plus 8. Okay. So last answer is 1,40,608. So you know how to split this answer and how the answer comes. 50 square means 2,500 and 2 square means 4. In this way we have multiplied all the 3 terms. Here also multiplied all the 3 terms to get the answer. And the final answer we get by adding all the 4 terms. Okay. Now fifth sum in the same way. So fifth sum, 101 whole cube is equal to what? Again we will split into the expansion formula 100 plus 1 whole cube, because expansion formula is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Children, in 4th and 5th, here onwards also you can place over here. Here a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1. You can write over here, because in the earlier sums we have written. Okay. So now 100 plus 1 whole cube is equal to 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square plus 1 cube. In this way we have written the answer like this. Okay. So 100 square is this, multiplied by 3, that is 30,300 and plus 1. So what will be your final answer? See here 1,030,301. Okay. So how much? 10,30,301 is your final answer. Next sum we will continue now. Sixth sum. Sixth sum is x plus 1 by x whole cube. So again which formula? Which expansion formula we will use? A plus b whole cube, as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here also in this space you will write what is your A? A is equal to x, and what is your B? B is equal to 1 upon x. So we have substituted all A and B in this expansion. So a cube means x cube plus 3x square into 1 by x plus 3 into x into 1 by x whole square plus 1 by x cube. Now first of all 1 by 1 you will write down x cube plus 3x square multiplied by 1 by x. So this x and this 1x will cancel. So what will be left over here? Only 3x. 3 multiplied by x, that is only 3x will be left over here. Then plus the next term. Here what is cancelled? Okay, here in this step we have not cancelled. So we have written this term as it is. 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. Now here we have cancelled these terms, okay, to get the final answer. So here what is the final answer? X cube plus 3x plus. Now here 1x and this 1x get cancelled. This is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. So this x and this x get cancelled. So 1x will be left in the denominator, that we have written in the answer. And 3 into 1 is 3 plus. Now 1 upon x cube is as it is. This will be your final answer. In this way we have solved now 7th sum. So 7th sum is also 2m plus 1 upon 5 whole cube. Again we will solve this sum by the same formula, a plus b whole cube, as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So again in this space you can write a is equal to 2m and b is equal to 1 upon 5. And let us proceed further. 2m plus 1 upon 5 whole cube is equal to, what is your a? 2m whole cube plus 3 into a square, that is 2m square, into 1 upon 5, then plus 3 into 2m into 1 upon 5 square plus 1 upon 5 whole cube. In this way we will write down the next steps. So what is 2 cube? 8, and m cube is m cube, plus here 2m whole square, that means 4m square. That 4 is multiplied with 3 to get 12. So 12m square multiplied by 1 upon 5 will be as it is, plus 3 2s are what? 6. 6 into m is 6m multiplied by 1 upon 5 square means what? 1 upon 25, plus 1 upon 5 whole cube. 1 cube is 1 and 5 cube is what? 125. So what will be your answer now? 8m cube plus 12m square into 1 is 12m square upon this 5. This will be in denominator, plus 6m into 1 is 6m upon this 25. 6m upon 25 plus 1 upon 125. So this is your final answer of 7th sum. So the last sum is 8th sum. We will start now. So what is the 8th sum? 5x upon y plus 5 upon 5x whole cube. So here a is your 5x upon y and b is what? Y upon 5x. So again use the same formula and write down the answer. Substitute the values of a and b. Here a is equal to 5x upon y, b is equal to y upon 5x. That also you can write over here. Then 5x upon y plus y upon 5x whole cube is equal to what? A cube. A means 5x upon y plus 3 into a square. A square means again 5x upon y into b. B means what? Y upon 5x plus 3 into a into b square. A is 5x upon y and b is y upon 5x whole square, plus b cube. B is what? Y upon 5x whole cube. In this way what we'll do? We'll write the answer now. 5 cube means what? 125, and x cube means x cube upon y cube, plus this 3 is as it is written 3 into 5x upon y we have written here twice because it is a square. 5x upon y into 5x upon y, then into this y upon 5x we have written. Then next term plus 3 into this 5x upon y as it is into this y upon 5x is written as a square. So we will write this y upon 5x twice. Y upon 5x into y upon 5x plus now y upon 5x whole cube. So we will write y cube upon 5 cube is 125 and x cube is this 125 x cube. So what will be the next step now? 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 into, now here is the cancellation part. This 5x and this 5x get cancelled. This y and this y is cancelled. What is left? Only 5x upon y is left over here and it is multiplied with 3. So 3 5s are 15 into x upon y. Here in this term what is cancelled? This y and this y get cancelled. 5x and 5x get cancelled and only y upon 5x is remained over here multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by y. Okay, so 3y, and in the denominator only 5x is left. So 3y upon 5x plus here as it is y cube upon 125 x cube. So this will be your final answer. Children, here we have completed practice set 5.2 and now in the next video we will continue. Thank you.